What's the meaning of completeness? Completeness. Completeness.
Completeness. Completeness. Completeness refers to the state of being whole, entire, or fully realized. It is the condition in which nothing is missing or lacking, and everything that should be present is present. A system or a theory can be considered complete if it covers all possible cases and provides satisfactory explanations for all observed phenomena. In mathematics, completeness is often used to describe the property of a set of numbers that contains all its limit points. Overall, completeness conveys the idea of thoroughness and comprehensiveness, indicating that nothing has been left out or overlooked.